Good morning, children. Today we are paying homage for our ex-president Mr. Pranab Mukherjee, who passed away on 31st August 2020. The center on Monday announced 7-day state mourning on the demise of our former president Pranab Mukherjee. As a mark of respect to the departed dignitary, 7 days state mourning was observed throughout India from August 31st to September 6th. During this period, the national flag was at half-mast and there was no official entertainment. Pranab Mukherjee is someone who needs no introduction. The 13th President of India, Pranab Mukherjee, was born on December 11th in 1935. He hails from Meerut village in Birubhum district, West Bengal. Mukherjee has been influential politician, instrumental in solving many provincial problems of the Congress as well as Government of India. Pranab Mukherjee was a clerk before he joined politics. He was a loyal person of Indian National Congress. He was a great follower of his father, Kamada Kinekar Mukherjee, who struggled for India's independence under the leadership of Gandhiji. Pranab Mukherjee entered politics in the year 1969. He was an active person under the leadership of Indira Gandhi, Shri P.V. Narasimha Rao, Shri Rajiv Gandhi. He served many portfolios as a finance minister, as a portfolio of commerce, and a member of Rajya Sabha as well as Lok Sabha. Pranab Mukherjee was an author of several books, including Beyond Survival, Emerging Dimensions of Indian Economy, Challenges Before the Nation. He was a 13th President of India. He was a master in political science and history. He had an LLB degree from the University of Calcutta. He was a professor also. On 8th August 2019, Mukherjee was honored with Bharat Ratna. In order to get elected as a president, he retired from the politics in the year 2012. And after getting retired, he contested for his presidential elections and won in the year 2012 and served the country up to 2017. And after that, he got retired from the politics. He was a great scholar and he was able to solve any provincial problems in our country. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi calls him, remembers him as a father figure. He says that he was a father figure for all the people who were working for the development of India under his leadership. On this occasion, I want to recite his famous quote: "Science, education, research and innovation are the 4 pillars on which the development as well as the work culture of nation rests." Thank you.